Welcome to my channel.
Name of fruits in 5 languages: Urdu, English, Chinese, Arabic, and Turkish. This fruit in English is called apple. Apple. In Urdu, seb. Seb. In Turkish, elma. Elma. In Arabic, tuffa. Tuffa. In Chinese,
苹果，苹果，
this fruit in English is called banana. Banana. In Urdu, kela. Kela. In Turkish, muz. Muz. In Arabic, mauza. Mauza. In Chinese,
香蕉，香蕉，
this fruit is called in English watermelon. Watermelon. In Urdu, tarboos. Tarboos. In Turkish, it's called karpuz. Karpuz. In Arabic, bittih. Bittih. In Chinese,
西瓜，西瓜，
this fruit is called in English pineapple. Pineapple. In Urdu, ananas. Ananas. In Turkish, ananas. Ananas. In Arabic, ananas. Ananas. In Chinese,
菠萝，菠萝，
this fruit is called in English grapes. Grapes. In Urdu, angur. Angur. In Turkish, uzum. Uzum. In Arabic, ainab. Ainab. In Chinese,
葡萄，葡萄，
this fruit is called in English orange. Orange. In Urdu, narangi. Narangi. In Turkish, turuncu. Turuncu. In Arabic, burtuqal. Burtuqal. In Chinese, changse. Changse. This fruit is called in English strawberry. Strawberry. In Urdu, strawberry. Strawberry. In Turkish, çilek. Çilek. In Arabic, faravilla. Faravilla. In Chinese,
草莓，草莓。
Like and subscribe.